What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Alright, so today we're just gonna just replace these with these right here. So it's just a blacked out version. I wish I didn't buy the bulbs for it, so it's gonna be still like the regular stock lights, turn signal bulbs in the black, but I think it'll be straight. Alright, so usually the quick way it should take doing this right here should take like 2 minutes tops, but it's the project card, so it's like dirt built up behind and everything like that. So usually you'll just push in and then pull like towards you, but it's not moving because it's dirt behind it. So we gotta go in this way, behind the fender line. So we're gonna remove these right here, which are size 8. So let's go and remove these. All right, so that right there. Next, you're gonna remove. Next, you remove this bolt and this right here. Both are size 10. So I'm gonna do that right now. All right, so once you got it off, remove this. Jesus. Dig your hand up behind here. All right, squeeze the clip, and then it should come out. As y'all can see, man, dirt. All right, so once you get it here, just pull it from the front. When you hit the clip though, instead of trying to push it through, it's easier to pull it backwards through here. So once you get to this part, clip. Try to do it one hand. You're gonna turn it. Once you get the piece off, just push the wires back in the fender liner and push it back through the hole, and then put your new dark lens on. All right, so now got it on. I'm gonna put it back in here to the clip. Start taking this plastic off. But I hope this video helps somebody out. Remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next time. And I went back and cleaned behind the light too, just to let y'all know that. But all right.